Hello guys, welcome once again. Today is a happy day. I just got my delivery and then I just got this too just right now from the mailbox. This is a PR product from L'Oreal. Once again, this is the third time I'm getting their package, so we are just going to open this. I've got this small thing that we used to open, but I'm so excited, so let's just use this. I won't hurt myself, don't worry. I know you're not worried, but I'm just telling you not to worry. I'm so excited. I wish it's foundation or their spray, hairspray. I pray it's foundation. I've used so much of their foundation already. They were the first products I actually got when I started using makeup. So now that I'm in this country, I'm so excited. So here it is. I got the long wear foundation, concealer, long wear powder, powder, and long wear setting spray. So here is it. I was actually going to buy some, and I said, let me just keep my fingers crossed. Hopefully, they will gift it to me. I kept my fingers crossed, and then this Blur-Fection, I'm going to do magic with it. I'm going to show you, and then I have it in the highlighting powder too, and then these are the foundations in shade 505 and 540. These are the two shades that I was given. It's going to be perfect. And I got the concealer in two shades. I like this because I'm going to use this one's to contour. If you know what I mean, you know. If you know, you know. So these are the items I got from there. I'm so happy. I'm so excited right now. You can have a look. I just don't want it full. You can have a look. Let's hear the excitement together. You can have a look. I'm so excited, L'Oreal. Thank you so much for gifting this to me. I'm so appreciative. This is the third time I'm actually getting something from them. And it is the actual first product I used when I started using makeup. And then I've gotten their mascara, I've gotten their glow serum, I've gotten their lip gloss. I hope there's more to come. I'm really happy. I'm going to create a look with this. Yes, I'm going to create a look with it, and I'm going to tag L'Oreal Paris USA, L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to tag you guys. I'm so excited. I wish more brands will give me something like this. So I'm so proud of myself right now. I got 3 items from them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my third gift. Third gift. I'm so excited.